Dear parents and students, greetings to all. I am V. Bharat Kumar, Principal, New Era Springs High School, Khammam. I am glad and privileged to introduce to you myself and sincerely assure you the safe custody and all-round development of your ward. New Era School, it has been with great excellence since 3 decades. And with the changing trends, it is moving forward into its newly constructed, exclusive school model ideal buildings. I am very happy that I am going to be a part of New Era High School, and let me brief you. I am having an experience of 22 years as a teacher and principal, and among that 14 years I worked as a principal in CBSE foundation schools and international schools. Lastly, I have come from Chennai, an international school which has been the leading brand in Tamil Nadu. Any school will have 3 ingredients, 3 elements for its success. First one is a serene ambience and a perfect infrastructure. Secondly, expert faculty members with correct composition. And finally, a very professionally designed, holistic and futuristic academic program. The New Era management has taken all the essential care and uncompromising efforts in bringing all these 3 elements at one place. We have got an exclusive new building which is with elegant structure, labs, libraries, auditorium and spacious ventilated classrooms and all the play material which will impress the student, love the school and education. At the same time, the need of the hour, the future, robotics, IT education, communication skills were given high priority in the new building. You all know very well, it's not the buildings and infrastructure that educates the child. They only facilitate. And our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Ramana Rao Garu, Director Bhumeshwar Rao Garu, they believe in that and they have taken up a highly qualified and well-experienced faculty team from different parts of the country. We have a couple of teachers from Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and even not to mention less, are well-trained teachers who are existing in Khammam and different parts of Telangana. They dedicate themselves in training themselves and giving all the necessary inputs to the students. This combination of a wide spectrum of diversified teaching team will help the student with a great wide outlook. The student will be getting a wide spectrum of knowledge inputs from these various teachers from various places. At the same time, finally, our curriculum. New Era curriculum is an uncompromising and professionally designed child-centered curriculum. Here, we identify every student as a unique individual and his needs are catered and justified. Our curriculum is with both CBSE and state streams, and exclusively IIT and NEET Foundation program is an integrated curriculum. It's not that child learns CBSE syllabus and next comes to IIT syllabus or state board curriculum and later into NEET curriculum. Our curriculum is an integrated curriculum. Simultaneously, at the same time, the child will be mastering both CBSE and IIT NEET curriculum or state and IIT NEET curriculum. This will not strain the student. In fact, he will master the subject and will be able to crack any examination at national and state level Olympiads. Academic excellence alone will not make a student successful individual. Along with academics, a child should be a strong, passionate learner of various other skills. Let it be the extracurricular activities, debate, quiz, elocution, drawing, and other activities like sports. All these things, they are very, very essential for the child. Academics is one side of the brain, and other side of the brain is the ECA and CCA. New Era from the beginning, since 3 decades, it has been excelling and proving itself as number one in ECA and CCA also. And we are very proud to say that we are having the personality development training, career guidance, psychological counseling, and other communication skills program which will make your ward a global winner. Our program is to make the students at New Era be successful at any era of life. Let it be the professional life, personal life, and even family life. And we aim at molding the child into a global citizen. Thank you everyone.